Can I use my Gmail account as my Apple ID?
Hello, and welcome to our tutorial. Today we're going to answer a common question. Can I use my Gmail account as my Apple ID? The simple answer is yes, absolutely. Let's dive into this topic further and show you how to set it up.
What is an Apple ID?
An Apple ID is your user identifier for all things Apple. It allows you to access services like the App Store, Apple Music, iCloud, iMessage, FaceTime, and more. You use it to sync content across your Apple devices, and it also serves as your online identity for Apple services.
Can I use my Gmail account as my Apple ID?
Definitely. While you can create a new Apple ID with an @iCloud.com suffix, you're also able to use any third-party email address, like Gmail. This means you don't need to create a new email address just for your Apple ID. This flexibility makes it convenient for users who prefer to use Gmail as their primary email.
How to use Gmail as your Apple ID?
To use your Gmail account as your Apple ID, you'll need to follow a few simple steps. 1. Go to the Apple ID account page or the Apple ID creation page. 2. Click Create your Apple ID. 3. Fill out the form, including your Gmail address in the Email field. 4. After you fill out all the required information, click Continue. That's it. Remember, the email address you provide here will be what you use to sign in to all Apple services. So, there you have it. You absolutely can use your Gmail account as your Apple ID, allowing you to access all of Apple's online services with the email address you're already familiar with. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, and thank you for tuning in. Happy exploring with your Apple devices!